In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Following that, you need to download an app from Google Developer Code Files. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit continue. Use the switcher next to allow permission, and finally hit those three lines at the top left corner to access clean section. Then hit clean under junk files and clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!